Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wins Tarot, and this is your most requested charms reading. Yes, friends, what is coming next for you? Yes, and this is our usual weekly feature. So, here it is now, friends. It is a general reading, it may resonate or it may not. So, take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, this is a general reading. It and also, friends, join us on Instagram as Magic Wins Tarot to buy a personal reading. Visit our website. Make sure to subscribe our channel because you get a chance to win a free reading. One person is selected, one subscriber is selected at the end of every month. So subscribe, like, and share, and join us on Instagram. And our website link is www.magicwednestarot.com, friends. And this is this is for this week, but you can take it for whenever you watch this thing. It is a timeless reading, friends, and I have my bag of charms here. So yes, today's choices are some beautiful crystals. Yes. So, oh wow, how are you all doing, friends? I hope you are feeling great. And let's take a deep breath. Are you ready for the reading? Let's take a deep breath. Let's take a deep breath, relax, and choose option number one. This beautiful watermelon tourmaline. Option number two, the beautiful orange sapphire. What a card. Look at that. What a crystal. Beauty. Absolute beauty. And option number three, the pink sapphire. Relax, friends, take a deep breath, relax and choose option 1, option 2, option 3, friends. And you can choose more than one option, friends. You can also watch the entire reading. Yes, friends, it is for you, friends, so you can watch it. And you can choose different areas for different piles for different areas also. So let's begin for pile number 1. Watermelon tourmaline. Tourmaline is a very strong crystal, friends. It is a very protective crystal, and it is a very grounding. It is a very protective crystal. It is used for protection generally. Black tourmaline and all that. Watermelon tourmaline is about healing. It's a very very powerful healer. And especially this watermelon one, the pink and green, it is about a powerful healer. So let's see, these are your advices, these are your oracle messages. We're gonna look at them shortly. Then your charms, and let's begin. What's happening for you? Oh my god. 5 of Spring. So some sort of a conflict is happening, some sort of a tug of war is happening currently for you, friends. I do see that either you are in double minds, or either some sort of a conflict is going in your mind or in your life right now. Yeah, I do feel that people are not agreeing with you, like family members, lovers, or co-workers, or even within yourself. I feel there is this energy of tussle, tug of war. It is this energy where you don't know what to do. Occasionally you may experience clashes with others. If you decide the matter is worth your energy, then do what you can do to minimize the conflict without sacrificing your goals or beliefs. So yeah, I do feel there are some sort of a struggles or battles which are not worth your time right now actually, but still pointlessly they are there because people are there. Also, it feels like work stress, it feels like family stress which is there, but it should not be there. It is a pointless thing which you also feel like, yeah, this is pointless, why we are arguing, why we are fighting. No wonder you chose the watermelon tourmaline, because this is about healing, the healing of the heart, the healing of the relationship. So yes, I do feel right now you are going through conflict, arguments, and a confusion. Like your heart is saying one thing, your mind is saying one thing, so some confusion is happening, friends. But I feel it will resolve, because 5 is a number of change, so good things are coming your way. Let's see what else will happen. Yes, balance is coming your way. I do see that you will find your balance this week or in the coming days. Whatever is imbalanced in your life, you will be able to find some sort of peace there, some sort of balance there, some sort of happiness there. So yeah, right now, ooh, you're not feeling great. I can feel that. In fact, competition is also there. Like you feel, oh, there is so much competition, there is so much politics, there is so much rivalry. What do I do? Things will balance out, friends. You need to stay in your balance. You need to stay within, peaceful in your mind and body and heart, because peace is coming for you. By integrating varying point of views, you can generate an extraordinary new idea, compromise with others, and collaborate to discover a better solution. See? This is beautiful. This is beautiful. I do feel that yes, conflict will resolve this week for you. This is the main theme for you. End of worries, end of competition, not competition, like, struggles, end of struggle, end of ego issues, end of fighting, arguments, some peace coming in your life. I also feel people will agree more to you, or people will be more cooperative to you, so you can relax finally. Like, yes, even in your marriage, if things are very, very intense, like both of you are pulled opposite directions, you can finally expect a meeting of the hearts. Wonderful. The Princess of Spring. So it is the. Wow, it is the Page of Wands. Wow, it is very interesting. I do see you are feeling very passionate, or you're gonna feel very passionate this week. You're very bold, very ambitious. You want change. Like, let's go for change. I can't wait. I wanna change things in my life. I wanna shake up things in my life. I can't be the same thing. You're like this butterfly. You're wanting some change. But I do feel that, you have to keep your patience this week. I know nobody wants to hear that P word now, patience. Oh, it's like, oh man, no, 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 patience. But it's more about, like, you see two butterflies are here, so change is coming. You can see that. Two butterflies. So big changes are coming your way, which you are not able to see right now. Creative opportunities are coming your way, and that will help you feel passionate about yourself, personal growth, and broadened horizons will spark fresh and original ideas are coming for you. So yes, I do see a reward coming your way. I see success coming your way. If someone was denying you promotions, they are coming. I also feel that you will be awarded as a queen, recognized, or some sort of an award or reward is coming your way. Some opportunities, some creative ideas are coming your way, friends, so get excited. I also see money coming your way, and some sort of a victory. It is like maybe you will clear an exam, or maybe and not only clear, like win that exam. I also feel that some of you will achieve some money or money goals this week, like money will come and it will restore your faith. I also feel that some of you are having a lot of trouble in convincing your family, like you want to do this work but your family doesn't agree. You are a musician, they don't like it. You are a creative person, they don't like it. But this week things will change. They will support you because you are successful. When you are successful, everybody will support you. So that's how it is. You become successful, and that's what you will be. And ideas are coming, friends. You have to keep your mind open. Don't stay stuck. A lot of ideas are coming, creative ideas. A lot of people who can help you out. A lot of people whom you can build something new. So you have to keep your mind open and stay calm. Three of Springs, yes, expansion is coming. For most of you, future is very important. You are very much future focused this week. In fact, I see your focus is on your life, changing your life, maybe changing a city or a country. Some of you also want to expand your businesses. Some of you want to expand your careers. Even if you are married, you want to have a new home, a bigger home, or expand your family. So expansion is the way. I also feel you will feel very hungry this week, friends, because expansion of the belly may happen. Food, food, food. I see you wanting food, because watermelon tourmaline is related to food also. Fruits, food. I see you hungry a lot. So, yes, a lot of eating, binge watching, I see that happening, but you will feel a sense of excitement at the same time. It is like, yes, I want to change my life. I want to do this. I will do that. I see you skipping also, some of you, rope skipping, cycling, that also doing. Stop to take time to review and make long term plans. So, yeah, see, take time to make long term plans now and capitalize upon your past success. So, yes, you have some sort of a victory which will be happening now, and you can earn, you can take that victory ahead also, make it forward. It's appropriate to pat yourself on the back for all your accomplishments. So, well done. You are doing great. You are going places. But you maybe also need patience for the next phase of life to play out. So, something is about to begin for you, but it has not yet started, friends. So, just a wee bit of patience. I won't say this is the week of patience. No, this is the week of planning. You have to plan your move. You have to plan for your future. A great future does not fall in your lap, friends. You have to plan for it, or you have to work for it. At least in some way, not like, and that's how you even enjoy it. Otherwise, if it just falls, you will not enjoy it. So, this is a week of planning. You're planning for trips, you're planning for future holidays, you're planning to meet a lover, to meet a soulmate, to meet somebody. Someone is also planning to meet you, and end this fighting, come back to you, make you, give you a present, a ring or something. Oh, a ring, a proposal is coming. Okay, I see that. We'll see with the charms also. Chariot movement is coming, friends. Yes, I do see that your life is moving ahead, even when you do not see it here right now. It is moving ahead. Sometimes, we can't see the actual movement, but life, is moving forward. If you notice when you are traveling in a car, you notice if you look out of the window, you will see the passing trees also moving, but they are not moving. It is you that is moving. So that is how you may feel you are standing, but no, you are moving. So that is how it is. Something is travel. Some of you might be traveling, making plans, planning for a future settlement, like where will you settle in the future? What will you do in your future? Taking actions. Someone is planning a move towards you, a trip towards you. Some of you may be making some very, very long term changes, like, not making those changes, but actually planning those changes now. And I do see that for some of you, some sort of there is a conflict here. It will be resolved. There is a conflict. There is this energy where, how do I say? There is some sort of a struggle, like maybe in a love relationship, you guys are not seeing eye to eye, or you are not talking with each other. You both are twin flames or husband wife. You guys are not talking with each other, but I see that person coming back, or you reaching out to them, or a crush saying, reaching out to you and messaging. You can successfully balance various opposing energies through determination and focus. You are earning rewards and recognition for your hard work. Chariot, things moving forward, definitely. I also see that there is a lot of this black and white energy. So this week you have to be a little careful. Here also there is a lot of black and white, blue and gold, contrast. Life is a contrast, friend. Life is a contrast. You have to accept it sometimes that, with success comes an ending, with everything, with every blessing, with every day there is a night also. So, just it may feel odd to you why this is so, but that is how things are, a little black and white for you. In your thinking, you may feel like, oh, we can move ahead, but we don't have this. We are planning to move ahead, but we don't. Everything is not right yet in the world. So how do we do that? So just be patient, just plan right now. This is the week of planning. This is not the week to take action. Even if you are a student, I see you winning or clearing some exams. I also see you getting some job offers, or some settlements, business settlements will go well for you. If your family discussions were, heated up, you can expect peace there. Two of summer, yes, love is coming your way, friends. A lot of love, new friendships, people who can understand you, people who are vibing with you, gelling with you. I do see a new relationship coming for most of you. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. You are falling in love, or experiencing a deepening of your emotions in your current relationship. Marriage or romantic partnerships are coming for you. So don't give up. You're gonna find what you're looking for, friends. This is not the time to give up. This is the time to plan. This is the time, if you are manifesting a new lover, think what you really need. I think some of you are confused between the past and the new lover. Should you wait for the past? Have you really healed from the past? Because watermelon tourmaline is about healing. So, yeah, you are healing, friends. You are not really fully healed. But yes, you're healing. So, woohoo, I see some dates, some happy talks, some nice relationships happening or friendships happening for some of you. Four of Wands, marriage. Oh my God. Oh my God. It is time to kick back, relax, and celebrate all that you have. Joy arises from success in your career, the completion of a project, or a very, very happy home life. So, yes, friends, your home life, your issues with family are going to be resolved. That's for sure. And I also feel your family will actually applaud you or praise you because of some victory. And I also see that if your marriage is not going well, you can expect some sort of a healing there. I also feel that I do see that some of you are searching for the right life partner. You haven't met anybody, but there is someone who keeps going in and out of your life. Healing will happen. A twin flame will try to reconnect, or a new friendship. It is, you can manifest it. Yes, it's gonna happen for you. So don't worry. I also see some of you may have your birthdays this week or in the coming months. So, yes, happy birthdays. I see celebrations. I see some golden, some jewelry or some gifts, financial gifts coming your way. Let's see your oracle cards. Ooh, refusing to see, Two of Swords. I do feel, friends, that there is a truth that you already know. There is something you know. Like there is a situation, you can't help it. Like maybe work stress, you can't change them. Maybe work's family situation, you can't change your family. So those things are there. But I think you should keep your mind open. Things are getting better for you. Don't be in this energy of refusal. Keep your mind open. Don't think like black and white. This will happen, this won't happen. This shall happen, this won't happen. I can do this, I can't do this. No, 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 no. You have to keep your mind open. You have to keep things open and nurture, Empress. Yes, friends, fertility is very high for you. Chances of pregnancy, chancing of a childbirth, maybe in the family or for yourself, a family expansion. Some of you might be moving or buying a new house, a new ornament, a jewelry, or something new you are going to start this week or in the coming, and it will be a good start for you. I also feel that this is a time to write down your dreams. Write them down because you will need those dreams in the future. And this is not the time to really make a very important change, rather than keep working on what you are working. Keep nurturing, keep building, don't change, keep going on because success will reach you. Number three is also about communications. I see communications happening with friends, with lovers, between, new people, a lot of people coming your way. Let's see what else. Then we're gonna look at your charms, door to personal healing and happiness, number 34. So, wow, this is beautiful. Healing is coming your way, friends. Definitely. The doors to love are opening for you. Healing will happen for you. And I do feel that. Something is opening for you which you can't see right now, but it will reveal itself in the coming days. So this is a very future oriented week for you. Everything is about the future, and you can't see it, but you are making that future right now. And let's see what else. Ooh, women holding a heart. So are you taking time to listen to your heart? I think someone loves you. Someone has a secret crush on you. Are you listening to them? Do you like them? I think you should tell them. And I think if somebody likes you, they're gonna take a move towards you. Number 44. So I think that's important. Angel number 444. I think this is a week where you are very passionate, very sexy, very bold, very confident, very aggressive. Everything very. But you should focus on one thing: love. That's what you are not at all focusing on, friends. You need to bring love into your life. You need to bring self love. You need to, like, I'll relax. I'll take a chill pill. Like, these authors. Don't do that. You're gonna enjoy. Let's see your advice. Oh, oh my God. Let yourself receive, friends. Yes. Allow others to give you loving care, receive without guilt or apologies. So, yes, friends, it is time to take care of yourself. It is time to ask for help. If people are not helping you, don't worry, don't fight with them. The right people are coming who will help you out. I also feel that this is a time to relax and just flow with the flow. I know you are very aggressive, very ambitious, but also at the same time you should relax. You should not try to be too forceful, because this is about love. Look at this. This is love. This is pure love. This is self love. So do it. Don't wait. Let's see your charms. So, option number one, what's gonna happen for option number one? Ooh, lots of charms. So, I see a celebration happening. Yay, yes. Let's separate the charms. So, there is this number 22. It is stuck in M. Okay, that's interesting. And I dropped a charm. Here it is. Let's just first separate them and then we're gonna talk about them. Ooh, celebration. There is two shoes here. So happy St. Patrick's Day, friends. If you are from there, if you follow St. Patrick's or the lucky Irish, happy St. Patrick's Day. This is about luck. This is about fairies. So, oh my God, the two cups. This is about love. And I think you are just not thinking about love and friendships, friends. So, woohoo. And we have the leaf charm, which is stuck here. Let's see what is this initial? The T. So, T, or maybe the tea, which we were talking, teacups. So, let's see. So Tim, somebody named Tim might be important for you. I see the name Tim, that might be important for you. I also see the letter him, HIM, so some male person is important. TT might be important, the game TT might be important, or some of you might be teachers, or you are dealing with a teacher, instructor, a physical instructor of some sort. I also see some of you may meet a person who is a physiotherapist, a physical instructor, a jogger, a gymmer, or something like that. Gymmer, what is that word? Is there a word like that, a gymmer? Somebody? No, I don't think so. Someone who goes to gymming. So HTTHIM, and number 14 is important, number 22 is important, and let's see, we have, hello, I'm a bad idea. So, ooh, someone is coming which is hot, which is sexy, which is passionate, but does not get along well with you. They are coming, a sexy, steamy relationship. I don't know, maybe it's a toxic ex that's coming and like, knock, knock, I'm here, baby. I don't know if you want to say yes to them or not. I see luck coming your way. So you're very lucky, friends. You should not doubt your luck. And the Cinderella slippers, I see some of you will be buying shoes, buying slippers, or something like that. Or there is a party, something like that also. There is the girl with the flowering water can, watering pot. So I do see this reminds me of the Empress. Yes, go after your dreams, keep planting, keep working on your dreams, success will be there. The Queen, yes, you are attracting a king or a queen in your life. This is pence, but I don't know which pence. 50 pence, yes, the 50 might be important for some of you. 50 pence. I see money coming your way, because this is with here luck. I see money coming your way. the heart, the meso piano. Piano might be important, music might be important, or some of you are connecting to music, or your destiny or future is in music, creative fields, artists, music, text designers, healers, all those things. And this is the Three of Cups. So this is a celebration coming your way, friendships coming your way, birthday celebrations. If someone has put you in a third party, you will find relief from that. Ooh, sexy, passionate energy. This is a sexy month for you. There is a lot of passion in this month, in this week for you. Bottled feeling. So I feel like celebration. This reminds me of two things. Celebration. Firstly, champagnes are celebration. Secondly, someone loves you, but they are not telling you. Oops. See, someone likes you, women holding a heart, they are like, look at me, please. But they are not telling you. I think you may tell them or they might tell you. So, someone has bottled feelings and they will share their feelings to you. Or you might do so, you might get a proposal. And the owl, keep your eyes open, friends. There are more options in life than we are aware of. The flower, keep blossoming, keep shining. The leaf, yes, something wonderful is coming your way. And look at that, two teacups. Friendships, celebrations, dates, and one plate sharing, fulfillment, success. Black, yes, I told you in the beginning, black tourmaline, very protective stone. You're safe, you're protected. This second leaf is about let go of worries. Don't focus on what you can't shift. Don't focus on changing people. Focus on loving them. I know it's tough, it's very tough, but we can try. One of Cups. Ooh. Friends, this is definitely about self love. This week is about self love for you and falling in love with something. Eight of Wands, passion, communications, forward progress. Four of Wands. Four of Wands is already here. Where is it? Four of Wands. Here it is. Marriage, commitment, home, stability, future, King of Air, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person is important. Lion, yes, you're fearless. You are very, very courageous. You are very ambitious. And Ladybug, you are lucky. I told you. Luck, money. Cat, be smart, friends. Be very, very smart this week because some people will try to waste your time. Don't do that because you are lucky. And cycles, yes, I think something will end, some problems or some worries, and you will start something new. Time, yes, there is still time for you. You haven't, this is not the end. A karmic situation will end. Neptune, things are gonna get better for you. The confusions will end, and rainbow blessings are coming your way. So subscribe, Magic Vents Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram. This is Mystic C saying bye bye. So friends, if you choose option number 2, let us see what's coming next for you. Charms reading, friends. I'll be pulling your charms shortly. If you choose option number 2, what a wonderful card you have chosen. Orange Sapphire. Wow, this is about creativity. This is about seductiveness. This is about passion. Finding your passion, finding your mojo. This is about sacral chakra, creativity, happiness, joy. Wow, this is beautiful. And it has the number 41, and that is 5. Change, happiness, love. These are your oracle messages, friends. We'll look at them shortly. And these are your cards, and then we're gonna see your charms. Let's see. Oh, so right now you're not feeling very happy, friends. You're not feeling happy. I see that some of you are still recovering from a loss, maybe a breakup, or you're missing somebody from your past, a lover, a twin flame, or a friendship, or somebody. I do feel that some of you are recovering, or you're nostalgic. Some of you may be a little disappointed with life, like you're sad. I see you feeling sad. I feel like you want, I feel like you need a hug, all of you, who chose pile number 2. It is like you're feeling a need of self love, a need of a hug, a need of a friendship. You feel that there is more to life than what is you are living, so it is time to move on. You may be moving on from a situation that isn't good for you. Perhaps you are being drawn to what will make you happy. Either ways, you are in control. So I do feel you are missing somebody from the past, or maybe the way things were before the world situation. You are like, oh, when will things go back? Well, we can never go back, friends, but we can always move forward or create something new. So, better, we can create something even better, isn't it? So, I see, yes, you are healing, friends. You are healing, you are recovering, and right now you're a bit sad, but it will heal, it won't stay. 8 is the number of luck, 8 is the number of destiny, it is the number of, it's a very powerful number. Let's see, what else? Ooh, I see that, you're also not telling people what you are going through. That's another thing which is causing you worry, because you are not telling anybody what is on your mind, what you are going through. If you are feeling anxious, anxiety, depression, health issues, or loneliness, you're not telling anybody what you are going through. In fact, you are keeping to yourself, which is kind of funny, because I feel like you want to tell people what's in your heart, but like maybe there is nobody, or maybe you don't have many friends who understand you, or family who appreciates you. So you kind of feel like you're alone, you're lonely, you are a loner right now, you feel alone. And you also may be thinking why certain things happened, why something ended, why some person left you, why they are not here. You want their support, you want their love, but why they are not here? Because, friends, I feel that right now this is a learning phase. You are becoming very mature. This is teaching you leadership. This is teaching you something. This situation, this loneliness is a teacher. This is like you gaining your wisdom, you becoming a perfectionist, a leader. Take time for contemplation to retreat and go within. Be a beacon for others in their path to spiritual enlightenment. I think some of you are feeling a bit left out or alone. You may be questioning why this is happening. I tell you why this is happening, friends, because if nobody understands you, it is not because you are bad. It is because it is because you are more aware, you are more learned, and you are more mature than they are, and that is why you are feeling a bit left out. You are feeling a bit emotional, and it is okay. We all feel that sometimes. Also, if someone has rejected you, blocked you, not talking to you, a friend, a lover, twin flame, family member, justice will happen in that situation. You should not worry about it. Some sort of a justice will happen for you. And this is also about number 8. This is also number 8. So big energy of justice. Big energy of success coming your way, healing coming, and things falling into place. Whoever has hurt you, justice will happen. If someone has left you, something better is coming your way. Some apologies are coming your way. Fair decisions will be made after all the evidence is presented to you. Have compassion for others and try to see both sides of an argument. So you may be feeling like other people have everything. They are having children, they are married, they are going through this. Maybe some of you are going through divorces, legal issues, custody issues, or some of you are feeling left out in the cold by some lover, twin flame, or you just feel life is heartless, nobody cares for you. Where is the karma? Where will things get, why people do bad but they are never getting it back? Friends, it will happen. It will happen. Sometimes it takes time for things to pick up. But remember, justice always happens. And there is a higher purpose, whatever you are going through. If you are feeling lonely, don't worry. This is your time of learning. This is your time of becoming a leader. Once, if you are going through legal issues, they will resolve. They will definitely resolve. If someone hurt you, left you, I do see an apology coming back. If you are worried about money, yes, money will be coming your way. Balance will be coming your way. So don't worry. Ace of Spring, yes, I do see that you're gonna find some excitement this week, and something will make you feel excited. And Orange Sapphire is like feeling excited, passionate, sexy, sexy, steamy. So that is what you need to do. A windfall of new opportunities present itself. It may have come as a surprise. So see, you are not expecting this new things, this new sudden surge of wave of happiness you are not expecting, but it will happen. Why? Because it is destined for you. It will come as a surprise, and it will make you leap into action and passionately pursue this opportunity. So get ready, friends, get ready. Something will happen which will be good for you, which will bring your happiness, which will make you smile. Maybe a message from a person, maybe a hi, how are you? Or maybe someone will say, hey, you're looking excellent, and you are like, wow. Or you will find someone who understands you. So I also see some work opportunities coming your way, or some, like, if not, it's not like work, but some creative projects, like someone tells you, hey, I'm joining this project, would you like to join? This is about drawing, this is about art, this is about color, dancing, zumba. Yes, you're gonna do that, you're gonna do that. Prince of Autumn. Friends, money is on your mind a lot. I don't know what is happening, but some of you are worried about money, your career. Money is coming in. Yes, this it is coming slowly, but it is gonna come in steadily for you. And it is also a time to learn, friends. This is a time to learn, to become a leader. This and if you have exams, yes, you will get your justice. You, if someone is you know I feel like, you might be studying alone, but your justice will happen. All those hours of long study, you will find rewards. I also feel you are working alone in businesses or colleges, or maybe living alone. You will find help, friends. Don't worry. If you are worried, where is my friend? Who understands me? Who will help me out? The universe will help you out. It will send you new ways of helping you out. So do not worry. The universe watches everybody. And I do see money coming your way. A lot of money is coming. Someone will try to help you out. It could be a friend, a colleague, a co-worker, or some family member. It is important to make a detailed plan before starting any and new venture. Once you have the plan in place, then you can take immediate action and get very good results. So yeah, this is about planning. This is about getting ready. Something new is coming. So get ready. And let's see what else. Six of Spring. I see a promotion coming your way. I see awards, recognition. I see convocations happening. Yes, I do see that. Some of you might be getting your exam dates. So you are like, whew, finally we got the dates. At least the dates have come. The exam dates have been announced. And I see that there will be a passionate reunion with someone from your past, or a friend, or a lover, and it will bring a smile on your face, like, yay, something nice is happening. You may receive a promotion, be you may receive a promotion, or you will be chosen for a scholarship and find that you are awarded, and a special recognition is coming your way. You have done an amazing job and you deserve all the attention that's coming your way. I see praises. I see a lot of praises. I see people respecting you, people understand, people praising you for the leadership, the support you have shown to them. I think you will attract somebody very positive this week. Someone very nice, someone very helpful, and you will feel like, oh, this person is loyal, I can trust them. The King of Autumn. Wow, friends, you are very powerful, and your focus is mostly on money, not money, career, justice, karma, spirituality, meditations, creativity. And I see very less of your focus is on love. Yes, love is there. I see a passionate romance, a reunion, but with a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aries, Leo, Sag person, or a Libra person. But I see your focus is mostly on studying, getting better, working hard, changing your life. Everything is going to turn out great. Projects will be stunningly successful, and new career opportunities are coming for you. Resources that will the resources that will come your way need to be invested maturely. So yes, I do see some of you will be investing your money, but I think you should be a little careful, because if you are investing too much, the rewards may not be too much. Also, if you are being greedy, don't do that, because justice is right above. Don't do that. Don't be greedy this week. Be patient, be loving, be mindful, be balanced. Eight of Autumn, friends, you are really working hard. You're very busy. Very, very busy. I see you studying. I see you studying books, reading books, also trying to find out, will this thing happen? Will this thing happen in my future? Why this happened? I also see you stalking someone's social media, trying to figure out what this person is up to. I see they are also stalking your social media, someone, your lover, your ex. They are also stalking your social media. I do see you are very busy on work, on studies, and less focused on other people. But yes, I do see help coming your way, money coming your way, a balanced money, or business deals coming your way. 10 of summer, family is very important for you. Maybe some of you are feeling misunderstood by family, in laws, parents, or friendships. But remember, friends, things will fall in place. The justice is here. Justice will happen. Love will shine through. It is time to express your love and appreciate your family, be it relatives or chosen family of close friends. Congratulations are coming for you on a happy, fulfilling marriage as well as happy children. So, definitely, some of you could be planning to get married, planning to settle down. You could be meeting people for, marriage, dates, or what you say, arranged marriage dates or something. Let's see your oracle cards. Then we're gonna look in the charms. Trust, yes, friends. Trust. Things are already healing for you, but you should trust, friends. You should trust. This is a time to trust what you cannot see, because things are gonna heal. Justice is here. What you can't see will manifest. Find balance. You are very, very, very busy, friends. Very busy. So please, I request you, insist that you find balance, you stay peaceful, and you take time to relax. Sixth chakra, Archangel Metatron. Friends, you are learning so much. Oh my God. I see you reading books. I see you reading all the time on social media, reading memes, messages, this, that, everything. You're hungry for knowledge. And 1111, cornucopia. Oh, I see you're moving ahead. See, you're moving ahead on this sunbeam. Yes, I do see money coming your way. I see justice happening, things falling into place. Not now, but soon. So you have to trust. You can't see it, but it is happening, friends. It is happening. Let us see your advice, then we're gonna look into your charms. Accept heaven's help. You have prayed for help, so get out of the way and let heaven help you. So I do see that you are upset about an ending, or maybe some situation is not going as you planned, be it at work or in love. But it is now, things are in the things are going to change in a positive way. Why? Because you have already asked for help. So some sort of a help is coming, some sort of a justice will happen. So get ready. You have prayed for help, so get out of the way and let heaven help you. Some major help is coming, support is coming. You have to trust. You have to trust. Let's see your charms. Option number 2, what will happen? Ooh, number 6 is here on the dice. Let's see. Let's just just arrange them a little. You have a few charms actually, but let's see. Very few actually. So let's see your initials. There is CS, so maybe someone named C and S. It could also be somebody from computers or technical engineering or something. That person is important. There is also P, and there is also A. So PAC, someone named yes, some of you will pass your exams. I see pass. So some of you will clear your exams. Yes, it will happen. Cap. Someone wearing a cap or a hat is important. Or capes, caps. I don't know what. Why is it important for you? I don't know. So C, A, P and S are your initials. Number 6 is important for some of you. 6 is also the number of love, harmony, beauty, sexiness, passions, liveliness. Yes. Let's see your numbers. Number 7 is important. I see 7 of July. 10 is also important. October. Number 22, so 222. And look at that, the pineapple. So this is, a reconciliation is happening, or something from the past will be resolved. Karma settled, some sort of a blessing coming. You have prayed for this thing. You have prayed for help. It is coming. This is the car. So yes, I feel like, some of you want to buy a new car or a better home or something. You're working hard for it. Yes, it will happen. I also see you may meet somebody while traveling, or some opportunities coming your way. A person, a guest, or a visitor. Someone is coming towards you. Home, money. I see. This is about your home being important. The 10 of this home reminds me of many things actually. This is like, you will be able to buy that home, whatever you are buying or, looking to buy. This is also about staying in home and taking, learning. So it is a lot many things, this home, and still being passionate. The boot, yes, I feel like, yes, this is a time when things are slow, but movement will come very quickly. I also feel some of you will be buying shoes, going on walking, fitness goals, yes, back to gyms or something. Attachment, yes, someone is very attached to you, or you are very attached to them. That person is coming. The teapot, yes, things have started to. Things have started to cook for you. See, here is the 10, the family card. So, family is important. This house reminds me of family. Stay in the houses. Yes. The teapot. Yes, things have started to cook for you, and very soon you can eat the meal. This bead is about staying positive. Don't be too negative. This leaf is about not taking tensions. Know that karma will be settled. Justice will happen. Resolutions will happen. This is the flower bead. I feel like if you connect with flowers this week, you will feel very happy, very positive. And 3 of coins, cooperation is coming, friendships are coming. Kingfisher, luck is coming. Kingfishers are very lucky. Cows, healing. Mother is important, mothering energy. Venus, focus on beauty, focus on passions, focus on creativity. Love, ooh. King of coins, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. King of coins, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Again a Venus card, so you are attracting someone who is just like you. Maybe, someone very beautiful looking, someone very creative. That person is being coming towards you. 7 of Cups, yes. I feel you may have known this person. They are a friend or someone you friend zoned, or someone from your ex. Then they were confused in the past, but now they are not. They may have ghosted you in the past. They may have blocked you. Keep your faith. Justice will happen. Yes, this is about a specific situation. Queen of Wands. You guys are perfect and opposites of each other, but keep your hope. Listen to that. Keep your hope. Things will get better. And dear, yeah, I feel you're very sensitive this week. You're feeling a lot of emotions, but you know what? Keep your faith high. Good things are coming. Justice will be yours. And subscribe Magic Wednesday Tarot. Like and share. Join us on Insta. And to buy a personal reading, visit our website. This is Mystic C saying bye bye. So, friends, if you chose option number 3, let us see what is coming next for you. Charms reading. And I will be pulling your charms shortly. This is your card. Pink Sapphire. Wow, what a beautiful card you have chosen, friends. This is about love. This is about love, healing, opening of the heart. And sapphires are also about, wealth. It is also about destiny. Sapphires are very, very lucky. So these are your oracle messages, advice. Let's see what else will happen. Well, these are your tarot. I'll be pulling your charms shortly. Let's see, friends. Oh, what's happening? Okay. Friends, right now you're not feeling so great. I think you're not at all sleeping well, pile number 3. You're not sleeping well at all. You're feeling sleepy, sleepless. You're also feeling like you are in a burden of stress, a burden of challenges. You don't have anybody to help you. You feel like this seal which is caught in a storm. Look at this. There is a storm here. You see that? A sea, there is a sea here, and the seal is sitting on just this one rock. So you feel like what is happening? You feel stuck somewhere. You feel like you are in a lot of challenges, but you don't know how to get out of them. Where is the hope? What is the way out? You don't know. I think you are worrying too much, friends. Your emotions are right now very high. I also feel you may be feeling mood swings. One day you feel happy, one day you feel like nah, life is terrible. I can't do this. I can't handle this. This is stress at its maximum. This is challenge level like 10, super challenge. This is like challenge number. Have you played Super Mario? Challenge number, super challenges. This is something like that. You feeling stressed out because you feel like situations, work, money, love life, you feel hopeless there. You feel like what is happening? I don't have I You feel a bit of powerlessness. You don't know how to change this thing. You want to change things. You want change. You don't know what to do right now. You don't have many options also. So your worries and fears are not real. See, they are fielded by focusing on the negative things, which give power to what is you are afraid of. Let go of the fear and everything will be all right. So the message is very clear. Things are not as bad as you feel. I know things may be looking tough, but remember there is always hope. And this is 9 is a sign of hope, because after 9 comes 10. 10 is the wheel of fortune, luck, happiness, new start, new beginnings. So this is the worst as it can get, but from now on things are getting better. And friends, try not to worry so much. Try to take a walk when you feel too worried, too negative. It is time, to take a walk, get some sunshine. I think you guys are not taking any sunshine, so take some sunshine and sleep well. I know you're not sleeping well. I know you are crying also. I know that, friends. That's my job. But don't be so hard on yourself. Things will get better. Strength, yes, you are very powerful, friends. Remember, you can change your destiny because you are very, very powerful. I also feel your health issues will resolve. If you are worried about your health or anyone else's health, it will get better. If you are worried about your exams or your future, things will get better. You are very strong. You can change. You can create a powerful change in your life. Don't worry. You have the strength to do what you need to do. Like if a new job or a leadership role comes, you will be like, oh my god, nervous. It is like going. I think what you are feeling is like, stage fright. When we go on a stage, we all feel nervous. We are like, what is gonna happen? What is gonna happen? But remember, you can do it. You are the lion. Everybody loves the lion. You are not the sheep, you are the lion. So you can do it. And the strength is displayed through kindness, forgiveness, compassion. You have tremendous personal power and courage. So don't worry. Keep going forward, friends. I do see physical health improving, mental health improving, and if someone in the family's health is not good, things will get better. If you're twin flame, I also feel some of you are feeling the emotions of your loved ones, your twin flames, or ex, or husband wife. You are feeling their energy, so try and relax. 7 of springs. Yeah, friends, this is a time to fight. This is not a time to give up. This week is about fighting. This week is about taking charge and saying, yes, I'm gonna win it. I'm not gonna give up. So yeah, that's what exactly you're gonna do. It is time to believe in yourself. It is time to take charge of your action and let nobody tell you you cannot win. Trust that your inner guidance is true and follow it completely. It is also a time to listen to your intuition. I think you know this. You already know whatever I'm telling you right now. Because this is the third eye. Look at this. This is the third eye. You know your intuition is strong. You know that these fears are not real. You know that the situation will resolve, be it your love or career or money situation, things will get better. But you know this, but you are still a bit scared. I would suggest you friends not to give up. If you are struggling in maths or any other exams, chemistry, any other exams, I don't know what exams you are giving, but if you are struggling in a relationship or marriage, don't give up. This is a time to fight. This is not a time to give up. This is the time to I will stay focused. And yes, the Princess of Winter, I see like some sort of a news may come which will cause you a bit of anxiety. A message like something will some sort of a news will come which will make you like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, what am I supposed to do? Like, someone says hi and you are like, this is your crush, and you are like, oh, I'm nervous, what am I supposed to say? And you end up saying nothing. So a message is coming, a news is coming, but instead of giving it peace, you will initially get nervous with that news and you are like, oh my god. So, some news is coming which will make you feel nervous, some messages are coming, but when you think about this news a little longer, you will find it is a very positive message. Like, first, you see your crush saying hi, and they say, what would you like to have a coffee? And you are like nervous, but then you realize, oh, they are asking for coffee, and you say, yes, why not? That's how it is. There is an intellectual challenge that calls upon you to think clearly of a situation or a solution. Helpful information is always available, and some truths are being given to you bluntly. It is time to listen to your intuition. So I do feel, friends, yes, this is also a time of clarity. You will find clarity, you will find mental relief and peace in your life. All these, whatever is bothering you right now, some resolution, some healing will happen, and you will find some peace. Some distance will happen, so you can have some peace in your life. Four of Autumn, I do see this is a slightly slower week for you, where you are focused on healing. You are also focused on doing your everyday things. So this is a slightly slower week, and money is also a little slow. Everything is a little slow, but it is how it is. It is a good thing. Slowness is a good thing. Also, this is a time to save money rather than spend money. So save money, save your energy. Don't try and waste too much of energy. Also, if you are studying your exams maybe tomorrow, so you can't study the entire course, so be wise, listen to your intuition. I also feel that there is a person who has something to tell you, or you have something to tell somebody, but you are not sharing. You are like, no, I am so scared to tell you I like you. I don't know what am I supposed to do. Oh my god. This person could be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or an Aries, Leo, Sag. So listen, be cautious about living a life of extreme or living. So be cautious about living a life of extremes or seeing things in black and white terms. Consider a more moderate or intermediate approach, and giving much emotionally versus building what people value. So this is like, I would say don't see everything from the point of view of money. If you keep thinking life is just about money, about, comfort, about riches, about money, then you will be unhappy, because I feel like money is right now a bit slow. It is coming, but it is slow. So don't think too much about money. Your money issues will heal. Your money will become better. You have the strength. You will reach that goals. But you have to plan. You also have to be careful how much you will spend, how much you will not. And also, there are some good things in life like friendships, family, which are better than money. These things can't be bought with money. We can buy a shoe, but we can't buy a friend, right? So that is how it is. I also feel that don't be so nervous about things. Talk to people. You have support, you have friends, you have family, you have us. If nobody, write in the comments. Do things. Six of Summer, yes, a soulmate is coming, a friend is coming to help you out. And I do see that this is somebody you know in the past who gave up on you, someone who is depressed, who is suffering from anxiety, depression, or some addiction issues. But this person gave up on you in the past. Maybe they ghosted you, ran away from your love, but I see that person coming back. Yes, They want you, they want to offer you this flower, they want to say, hey, I want to talk with you. This person is like looking for you, they want your love, they want your support, and this person is scared. I feel you both are scared. And look at the number 44, 444. The love and care of children could become an important part of your life, or people from your childhood may return to you. Old memories can be healed, and beautiful dreams can be made in the future. So, good things are coming, friends. Good things are coming. If you are feeling lonely, you will find a soulmate in the future. You keep going, don't give up. If you haven't met anybody, this is not the time to give up, because someone is destined, they are a soulmate coming for you. The moon, yes, this is an emotional week for you, friends. Very emotional week. You have to be a little careful, because otherwise you may cry a lot, or you may feel like a bit sad or lonely. So try to study, try to stay connected with people, try to watch our channel more so you feel positive. Drink more water, I also feel, and your creativity will be super high. Intuitive messages. If you are a psychic medium, your intuition will be spot on. It is important to trust your intuition. Even if you are unsure of what is happening, all will be revealed to you very soon. Worry is not necessary now. Worry is a waste of time for you, friends, because the solutions you are seeking are coming. It is just that right now is not the time. It is like, right before the dawn, sunrise, there is this dawn where the sunrise is coming, but it has not yet happened. So you are there. You are there. And the Queen of Winter. Yes, friends, I do see that this is a time to celebrate your intelligence, learn something new, also work on your communications, confidence, all these things. And also, I see that try, you have to be a little. It might be a little tricky for you to balance your emotions and your mind, but somewhere you will be able to find a balance between your mind and your emotions. So, yes, some career opportunities are also coming. Don't give up. What you are looking for is coming. It may take some time, but it will come. Let's see your oracle messages. Then we're gonna look into your charms. Blossom, yes, number 20. Things are blossoming for you, things are moving forward. You may not see them, but soon things will reveal itself. Keep moving, keep working on your dreams. Don't give up. Whether it is love, soulmate, work, money, you will find it, you will create it. New vitality, rainbow blessings. Oh my god. I do see that some of you are going to paint. Painting will help you. Painting, arts, craft, listening to music, just taking some time, looking into old photographs. It will help you. It will soothe your heart. And look at that. Ooh, sexy. Man holding a heart. Someone loves you, friends. Someone really likes you. They love you. You also love them. I feel this person keeps running away from your love. Maybe they have put you in a third party. Maybe they are suffering from anxiety, depression, or some career issues. And maybe they are a musician, or they will send you a musical gift or something, like, a song or something, or they will share some songs on their social media. They like you, friends. A lover is coming. Love is coming for you. Stay positive. Let's see. Door to Spirit, number 32. Yes, friends. See things spiritually rather than emotionally or mentally. That is very important for you. And I know I'm talking like a mother to you right now. Some of you say, like, you're so patronizing. You're like a mother. You talk like a mother. I can't help it, friends. When you're feeling sad, I have to notice your energies and respect that. I'm an intuitive medium, right? It's my job. Touchwood. It's my job. I'm very blessed to have that job. This job. Door to future. Door to future? Who? I said door to future. Door to spirit. Yes, this is your door to future. It is opening for you, friends. Something spiritual is happening in your life. So So something spiritual is happening in your life, friends. So it is time to see things spiritually rather than emotionally or mentally. That is the key this week for you. Let's see some advice for you. Pay attention, notice the repetitious signs and your inner guidance, as this can give valuable information. So the signs are guiding you. You are not alone, friends. You have a lot of support. Yes, and there is a person, a lover or a friend or a mentor coming to help you out. So stay positive. Let's see your charms. Option number 3, what will happen? Option number 3. Oh, you have so much. No wonder so much is on your mind. There is a lot going on in your life. I think you have the most charms this week. Let's see. The snowflake is here. And you have here 2 other charms stuck in each other. Let's see. Let's first, separate them. Oh, you have so many initials. Nice. Nice. Okay, let's see. The snowflake charm is in A. So for some of you, a person named with A is important, and there will be a wish come true movement with them, because there is a snowflake here. R, there is L, there is E, there is D, LED. Maybe you call them LED. LED is also leader. Yes, some of you are leaders. Yes, it is time. Don't be nervous. It is your destiny to lead. And I see beer. Yes, some of us, you may meet someone who is suffering with addictions, drinking issues, beer, anger issues, or something like that. Or you may meet somebody in a bar or while hanging out with coffee or something. And what else? And look, let's see, what is this? This is the initial M. We have the number 12, so that is important. And we have the owl. So M is also important. Dear, yeah, someone could be very sensitive. It could be you or another person who is very sensitive. Mad, maybe you are mad with somebody, they left you or something. You feel that person is bad, but I think that person likes you, they really like you. Beer and D. Malt, I don't know, malt is a word but not D. So your options, someone could be a doctor. I see a doctor here. You could be dealing with a doctor. So the initials are D, R, M, A, L, D and B, E, E, B. So yeah, and you have the number 15 and number 12, the dark horse. I think, friends, you are like this dark horse. You are very strong and you are the horse that wins the race. But you don't know this yet because you are scared. And yes, no, but you're gonna win the race, remember. And let's see. The Casablanca movie is important for some of you. I see this as the tree of life. So yes, you are laying some deep foundations. You are laying good foundations. If life seems stable right now, nothing is happening, don't worry. The roots are taking form. There is clover, money coming your way. You are very lucky. Your future is very lucky, very bright future. See, very bright, blossoming. What else? Owl, yes. Listen, pay attention to the messages, signs. Pay attention to your health. Some of you are ignoring your health. Some of you are ignoring your heart. Your heart is telling you, you know what is anxiety? When you believe your mind, but your heart is telling you everything will be fine. But your mind is telling you, nah, nothing will be fine. That is kind of going in a loop. Don't do that. Listen to your heart. Listen. And let go of worry. The leaf, butterfly, positive changes coming your way. Locked heart, yes, someone was not sharing their heart and emotions to you. This person could be having anxiety, depression. They were stuck, they were nervous, they were running away from your love, but now they want to be with you. They want to share their love with you. And look at that, the warrior. Yes, friends, you are the warrior. And I feel this person could be from a different star system. a different there could be a star seed, but I feel you are a warrior. You can win, friends. You and this person, this lover was protecting their heart, but now they feel this love for you and they want to be with you. And the teacup, take care of yourself, friends. Have some green tea, have some water, enjoy the little things in life. And water, oh my god, what a sink. Look at that water. So drink some water, flow with your emotions, don't resist them. Yellow, yes, stay positive. Six of Wands, success. You will be successful. You may be scared of some subject, but you will be successful. You may be scared of life, but you will be safe. Moon, you also have the moon. So, this is a very romantic week. This is also a very creative week for you. Canada is important. Maybe somebody lives there or you want to move there. King of Cups, Cancer, I said Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So, that person is important. Also, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, giver. I think you loved somebody, but they just never returned your love. But I think they want to return it back to you. Nine of Cups, yes, happiness, a reunion, a celebration, good news. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person coming towards you. And look at that. Four of Wands, marriage, commitment, family, home. Four of Cups, patience, keeping your patience. Eight of Wands, success, communications, messages. And look at that, roads. Where are you going? We don't need roads. Oh my god. So I see someone could be a traveler, or they are coming towards you, or I see also that your situation, whatever you worried about, it will change, friends. It will improve. Don't worry. And make sure to subscribe Magic Vans Tarot. We love you all, and join us on Insta. And to buy a personal reading, visit our website. This is Mystic C saying bye bye.